I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution.
Hey you guys, so this is going to be a really quick update on this hair that I received from Nadulahair, and I will have the original video down below in the description box, also with all of the details of the hair that I received. So this wig I made from Nadulahair.com. If you guys remember the first video, this is the Indian straight hair. It came with a frontal, and I believe I used 3 bundles. So this is basically a 1-month update on this hair. I haven't had any issues with this hair, you guys. I've washed it maybe about 2 times since I had it, and it really didn't even need to be washed that much, honestly, because I don't put much product. But some of you have been asking me, how do I maintain my wigs? And I just thought I would show you a couple of steps that I do. This right here, I'm just putting some oil. It's basically a heat protectant oil. And I just thought I would show you guys how I curl the hair, because a lot of you also wanted to know, does it curl? Did it hold a curl? It absolutely does. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how I curl it using my Irresistible Me curling wand.
I like to move real close after waking up, mesmerized by your breathing, how you're holding up. Remember the day we first met and the love we found, dancing in the darkness. I won't let you run. In your arms I can't get close enough. When you're around I get butterflies that never stop.
So after I'm done curling it on both sides, I just run my fingers through it, just finger combing it all the way through. And as you can see, the curls did not drop. They look absolutely gorgeous, and they do last for about a good 2 weeks or so before I have to recurl them. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I did add some face powder to my parting space just to open up the parting space a little more, so that you don't have to really pluck the parting or anything like that. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and again, all of the information to this hair will be down below in the description box. And on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.